Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country. When you're ready to put the super in your Super Duty, I've got the kit for you. It's the Rough Country Vertex Coilover conversion for the Super Duty Fords. This kit's available as a supplement to a 4.5 or a 6-inch lift, and it's going to include a Vertex Coilover that comes with mounts specifically for the Super Duty, upper and lower. The Vertex is going to allow you 8-way adjustment for the dampening, and you've also got height adjustment in the coilover to dial in the stance perfectly. We also include a supplementary shock that goes in the factory location to make sure that ride is as smooth as possible. The Vertex Coilover includes the coil that is specifically rated for the Super Duty, as well as a reservoir that's going to make sure your fluid stays nice and cool to maximize performance. So when you're ready to step up to the big leagues with your Super Duty, you're ready for the ultimate in shock technology, and that is the Vertex Coilover Conversion Kit for your Super Duty by Rough Country. Get this and all your truck accessories at roughcountry.com.